Hi, Marty McGee here. I just wanted to show you a couple things while I'm in the open source realm of audio and visual editing and interactive chat with others. So group multimedia, music recording, audio recording, maybe video recording, but not really. So we're trying to hook up React, Redux, socketio, chat to a fork of a brilliant application by Ross McMillan over in the UK called djent. So this is a fork, and I'm trying to merge Ross's music generation application in React and Redux and web audio API and a lot of other brilliant, unique work so that we can talk to each other over the same session, I guess I would say. Okay. So I've closed off, I've verified that it works over here. We're running node, 6 through 11 over here in trackdragon Ninja. And we're getting successful listening on port 3000 and Webpack is building after 40 seconds. And I've closed it off, and now I'm sitting here. I'm going to borrow the port because I'm trying to get this application over into this one. And so I'm going to try and run an identical command from package.json and talking to Node through npm or Node Package Manager. And we're running Node Package Manager version 641 right now, I think. Yeah, so we want to run the same exact thing over here in the news section. And it's going to take a little while. But what I'm trying to get at is over in here, we're trying to run two servers at the same time. One on port 3000 and one on port 3003. One is for the chat and another is for the audio. So once this starts to build, it's going to take a while. There's a lot of stuff going on here. So I'm going to talk through it for a little while. Okay, good. So we've got an error. E address in use. Address already in use. 127.0.0.1 colon 3003. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to run this whole application here on this port on my local, or any IP address for that matter, but this port right here is most important. So what this is telling me is I'm already running at that port at that location. So I need to either close that off and try again, or realize that that's not the port that I wanted to run. In fact, this isn't the command I wanted to run at all. I wanted to run a different command from my package.json file called npm run chat, because this one's already running on dev, and so that's the correlation right there. I'm running dev, it's running a whole thing out. I'm not gonna leave and show you the code, but I'm going to say that this ties into this. All right, so let's go ahead and run a clear screen. Well, I don't know, we don't need to do that. We can follow along 60 lines here and run an npm run chat. And I'll tell you about where the difference between chat is and dev is later. It's in package.json. It's something that you specify. So, but we're just going to run it right now, and it's going to hopefully point to our dev environment for port 3000, not 3003. So let's try and get this in. I've highlighted it, but it doesn't seem to be running. There we go. Let's get that to run. And so I'm wrapping this command with this right here in my package.json file, and it's running. And it's going to take us through the rest of this next run, this next process run. This can take a few minutes. Okay, so here we go. It's, oh, there it is at 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Finally, we're seeing this node source server. This is our .js file that's connecting to the socket IO, and that's boom, awesome. And then here's the socket IO manager here, and then all the stuff. And that's awesome too, because we've hooked it up to API chat here in the path, and all this other stuff doesn't really matter. Well, I mean, it matters, of course, but it's working on port 80. It's very important, port 80. We're sharing the port. And then all these other settings, and here we've got a second node here called engine, and it's a replica, a duplicate of the socket that's running here with its properties. And so then we quickly, in a fraction of a second, get down to this. Well, here's my tag here, basically saying, hey, we connected to the database. Oh, okay, awesome. I'm glad I flagged that. And now we know that we're connected to the Mongo database, the Mongo client.connect. And it's going to say server listening on port 3000. Awesome. We used Webpack to build it out in 7 seconds. And the version being Webpack 3.12. But this was more like 7 minutes. I got up and got a cup of coffee. So this isn't the whole time, this is just this Webpack build, which is a good number of 7 seconds, but it took a lot more to go from the node server build the connection to get the socket information and connect to the database. So I've got some things to look at, and oh, here we go. Here's an error. No errors plugin is deprecated. Okay, that's a warning in Webpack. I don't think that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for error in, oh, okay. This React Redux socketio chat client index. Don't ask me how I know that. I know it because that's where the entry point is for this application. So let's go take a look at that.